My name is Vinushan and I'm 11 years old. Today I'm going to review a book. That book name is a secret. Wait, I tell the secret in a while. This is the book. The book's name. Okay, I tell the secret. This book name is The Invisible Dog. Whoa, 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 whoa. The Invisible Dog. Invisible. And the author of this story is Dick Smith. Okay. This story is all about a dog and a kid and the kid's imaginary world. The dog name is Rupert and the girl's name is Jenny. The Rupert died when Jenny was 2 years old, so he really didn't remember he. But of course, there was lots of photos in a house. So one day he went to the garage and he saw something hanging on the wall. That is the leather of the dog Rupert. So he take it and sing like this. What is this? And he think a puppy was running beside her, and she think it was an invisible dog. And then the story go. The invisible dog, and my most liked character is Rupert, Jenny, a mom, a dad, and Mrs. Garrow, a grandma in this book. Not her grandma, that somebody grandma. That there was a Miss Garrow. And he asked for the dog, the Rupert dog, but not the Rupert dog. To buy a new dog, the Harlequin Great Dane. Yes, I think that Harlequin Great Dane or Great Dane Harlequin. No, Harlequin Great Dane. That dog. His dad say, I want an dog, but her dad say, if you give me 500 pounds, I'll buy you a new Harlequin Great Dane dog. So he save his money and give it to a dad, and then he buy a new dog. That's all about the story. If you like this story, please read this book. Okay? I really like this book very, very much. And this is the time. Bye.